An AI agent is not the same as ChatGPT. It's not the same as automation. It's something in between. And that's what makes it powerful.
They answer questions. They route information.
When you use ChatGPT, you ask a question, it gives an answer. That's it, single interaction. No memory of what you asked yesterday, no ability to take action in the real world. Traditional automation is the opposite. It follows exact rules. If this happens, do that. Every morning at 8 a.m., send this email. No thinking, no adapting, just following instructions. An AI agent combines both. It can reason through problems like ChatGPT, but it can also take actions in the real world like automation. More importantly, it can decide which actions to take based on the situation.